one time you know.
There's two at the base.
Where are they at?
There's a kid at the Patriots jersey. Straight out. I think Stockton. Yeah, I see it. There's one more up top. Same team. Third base is straight that way. There's like one or two, okay? And then there's a couple way down there in the grass.
Where's the flag?
The flag's like straight that way. They got the cover. I'm gonna go swing into the middle and try and push out that way.
Further than that one?
Yeah, because there's like a brush here, and they were just shooting through the brush trying to shoot me. So they were watching that way. Might be a good spot to just sit at those logs right there. That way you can see in a little bit better.
You can move it that way and hold us by it.
I should be alright, I think. There's one straight down from me, about 20 feet. There's two back at home. I'm not sure after that. On your shoulder? He's gone. There's another one by him. Yeah, that's their base shooting. There's one back here along the tape. I think there's one more. Probably laying down. Oh, nice shot. Son of a bitch.